The drama surrounding the 1000 LB sisters doesn't seem to slow down anytime soon, especially when it comes to the Slayton sisters themselves. Tammy Slayton, who has spent years trying to transform her life, recently reached a major milestone that was supposed to be her shining moment. But fans were left stunned when that moment was overshadowed, intentionally or not, by none other than her own sister, Amy Slayton. With years of ups and downs, fighting for independence, love, health, and recognition, it seemed like Tammy's transformation journey was finally culminating into a celebration of her strength. Unfortunately, as cameras rolled and fans tuned in, the celebration slowly turned into an uncomfortable spectacle as Amy appeared to hijack her sister's biggest moment, fueling an explosive debate online. Was Amy acting out of jealousy? What was meant to be Tammy's day quickly transformed into a Slayton family circus, with emotions running high and fans divided in their reactions. Some blame Amy's insecurities and craving for attention, while others argue that the spotlight was never meant to shine solely on Tammy. Either way, the timing in the drama couldn't have been worse. This controversial turn of events is now being described as one of the most shocking and emotionally charged moments in the show's recent history. It all began with Tammy's highly anticipated surgery recovery reveal. After undergoing several life-threatening procedures, shedding hundreds of pounds, and making drastic lifestyle changes, she was finally ready to unveil her transformed self to family, friends, and fans. It was a day she had fought hard for, emotionally and physically. TLC hyped up the episode, teasing heartwarming moments, tears of joy, and the long-awaited reveal of the new Tammy. However, instead of being a proud, solo victory for Tammy, the event was marred by Amy's behavior, which many called inappropriate, distracting, and even deliberately attention-seeking. Fans who watched the episode were quick to notice Amy's constant interruptions, over-the-top commentary, and emotional outbursts that, in their view, took away from Tammy's story. Viewers flooded social media with reactions, ranging from confusion to outrage. Why can't Amy just let Tammy have her moment? One fan posted on Twitter. It's like she can't stand not being the center of attention. Another commented, Amy seemed more focused on herself than supporting her sister. What's even more complicated is that this isn't the first time fans have accused Amy of overshadowing Tammy. From the beginning of the show, their dynamic has been layered with competition, jealousy, and emotional baggage. Amy was the first of the two sisters to lose a significant amount of weight, marry, and have children. While Tammy struggled with her health and battled personal demons, Amy appeared to be moving forward in life. But when Amy's own life began unraveling, following her split with Michael Hultman and rumors of tension with her new partner Brian, things began to change. Suddenly, the spotlight began shifting back toward Tammy, especially after her dramatic weight loss transformation and surgeries. Fans began speculating that Amy may have felt pushed aside. Some even suggested that Amy was no longer the star of the show and didn't know how to handle Tammy getting more attention than her. The latest incident only seemed to solidify those suspicions. On the day of Tammy's big reveal, Amy reportedly brought up her own personal issues repeatedly, complained about how hard things had been for her recently, and even hinted that she might be considering surgery again. Some fans saw this as an attempt to steer the conversation away from Tammy and back toward herself. Others noticed how Amy seemed visibly uncomfortable with the attention Tammy was getting, often making awkward jokes or interrupting heartfelt moments. One particularly tense moment occurred when Tammy began to tear up while thanking her family for supporting her. Before she could finish her thought, Amy jumped in with an unrelated anecdote about one of her kids. Tammy's face reportedly fell in disappointment, a moment that fans called painful to watch. Several viewers even accused Amy of gaslighting Tammy's feelings, suggesting that her behavior was rooted in jealousy more than absent-mindedness. Sources close to the production team have hinted that producers were not pleased with how the event turned out. One insider shared that the episode was meant to be a turning point for Tammy in a celebration of her survival. The whole crew was focused on Tammy's moment, the source said. But during filming, it was clear that Amy was pulling attention in a different direction. It was awkward. Even some of the crew members were uncomfortable. There were even rumors that producers had to edit out several of Amy's comments because they were considered too distracting, from the storyline. Insiders say this may have long-term consequences for the way future episodes are handled, including possibly limiting Amy's airtime if similar incidents continue. As for Tammy, she has remained relatively quiet about the situation. However, a cryptic TikTok video posted shortly after the episode aired raised eyebrows. In the video, Tammy mouths the words to an audio clip that says, "They always try to steal your thunder, but baby, you are the store room." Many fans interpreted this as a subtle dig at her sister. In the comments, followers offered support, with one writing, "You deserve your moment, Tammy. Don't let anyone steal it, not even family." Tammy liked several of the supportive comments but has not made any direct statements regarding Amy's behavior. Amy, on the other hand, appears to be feeling the backlash. After the episode aired, she posted a series of emotional Instagram stories where she expressed feeling underappreciated and misunderstood. She also hinted that she had been going through a lot, and that people needed to show compassion instead of rushing to judge. Despite her attempt at damage control, many fans weren't convinced. "This isn't about what Amy's going through," one user commented. "This was supposed to be Tammy's day. Everyone has problems, but not everyone tries to make someone else's moment about themselves." Another fan commented, "Amy hijacked the moment and now she's playing the victim. Classic narcissistic move." The fallout has also reignited conversations about the sisters' long and complicated history. From childhood trauma to adult struggles with fame and health, the Slayton sisters have faced more than their share of adversity. Their relationship has been both their strength and their weakness, with fans often watching in frustration as they clash, forgive, and repeat the cycle. Some believe that the recent incident is just another chapter in their ongoing rivalry, one that may ultimately affect not only their personal bond but also the future of the show. With TLC reportedly considering spin-offs and restructuring the franchise, tensions between the sisters could have major consequences for what's next. Amid all the controversy, fans continue to rally around Tammy, praising her resilience and calling for her to receive the recognition she deserves. Supporters say she has come a long way, not just physically but emotionally and mentally, and that she shouldn't have to fight for validation, especially not from her own family. Many hope that future episodes will allow Tammy to reclaim the spotlight and that Amy will step back to let her sister shine. Whether that happens or not remains to be seen, but one thing is clear, the Slayton sisters' story is far from over. As the dust settles from what was supposed to be Tammy's triumphant day, questions still swirl. Did Amy intentionally steal her sister's spotlight, or was she just emotionally overwhelmed? Was it jealousy, a cry for help, or just poor timing? The internet remains divided, but one truth holds steady: Tammy Slayton earned her moment. And fans everywhere are still waiting for her to get it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.